Cleaning of the EGR valve has helped to reduce emissions and improve the performance of the vehicle. Here are a few reasons why cleaning the EGR valve is important. 1. Reduced emissions. A clean EGR valve can help reduce emissions and make the vehicle comply with emission standards. 2. Improved fuel economy. A clogged EGR valve can cause the engine to work harder, resulting in increased fuel consumption. A cleaned EGR valve has helped to increase the fuel economy. 3. Increased power and acceleration. A clean EGR valve can improve the performance of the engine and make the car accelerate faster. 4. Preventive maintenance. Cleaning the EGR valve is a preventative maintenance task that can help prevent more serious problems from occurring.